Welcome grade 4th to your mathematics class. Dear students, good morning. I am Vikas. Student, as you know, you are studying block 12 divisibility rules. And children, I hope you have studied lesson 4 from content book. Children, to correct the subtopic, I have an introductory question for you. So my question is, how can I find if I can divide 654 books completely and equally among 4 people or among 6 people? Student, what to do to get answer? Student, the answer is we can divide 654 by 4 and 6 to find out if the books can be divided equally and completely. If the remainder is 0, the books can be fully and equally divided, otherwise they can't. So children, our aim is today we will learn to deduce and apply the rules of divisibility for 4 and 6. Student, I have some questions for you. So my first question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? Numbers are 44, 243, 9124 and 834. And my second question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? So the numbers are 216, 334, 7206 and 6004. So children, this is video.
Lesson 4. Question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? The divisibility rule says a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits, means tens and ones, are divisible by 4. So we have to check last 2 digits, means ones and tens. Here first number is 44. One's tens digit is 44 is divisible by 4. Children, 44 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Here 0. 4 ones are 4. Here's no remainder, so divisible by 4. Second number 243. Then we have check 43. So 43 divisible here 4. So children, here 43. So 4 ones are 4. Here will be 0. 3. Children, here remainder. So 3 is less than 4. So here will be 0. So remainder. So children, 243 will not be divisible by 4. So children, now next question 24. 24 divided by 4. As you know, 4 is 24. So children, divide by 4. Last 34, 834. So 34 by 4. So 4 8 are 32. Children, here 2. So it has remainder. So children, it has remainder, so not divisible by 4. Children, this is second question. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? Children, divisibility rule says a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So here children, first number is 216. So ends with 6. So it is even number, so divisible by 2. Now children, we have to check sum. So 2 plus 1 plus 6 So here children, 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. So divisible by 6. Now children here, 334, it is even number, so divisible by 2. Then children, 3 plus 3 plus 4. Is 10 divisible by 3? No. So not divisible by 6. Now children here, 7206 is an even number, so divisible by 2. Now children, 7 plus 2 plus 0 plus 6. So here will be 15. So is 15 divisible by 3? Yes. So divisible by 6. Last, 6004. So it is an even number, so divisible by 2. Now children, 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. Here will be 10. Is 10 is divisible by 3? No. So children, 6004 is not divisible by 6.
So children, I hope you understand the divisibility rules of 4 and 6. Now children, question: what test of divisibility can be derived by looking at numbers that are divisible by 4 and their last two digits? And what test of divisibility can be derived by looking at numbers divisible by 2, 3 and 6? Student, the answer is, if the number formed by the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6 as well. Now children, last question, higher order thinking question. So question is, what should be the last digit for the number 5, 6, 4 and missing number for it to be divisible by 4? Children, this is video to get answer.
Higher order thinking question. Question is, what should be the last digit for the number 5, 6, 1 and one number is missing for it to be divisible by 4? Children, you know, to divisible by 4, last two digits, tens and ones should be divisible by 4. So children, here first I am going to write 0. We will start from 0. Children, it is 10. Is 10 is divisible by 4? No. Now children, I am going to write 0 after 1. So it is 11. Is 11 is divisible by 4? No. Now children, 1 after 2. So it is 12. Is 12 is divisible by 4? 4 3 is 12. Yes. 5612 is divisible by 4. Now children, second time, 5, 6, 1. 2 after 3. Is 13 is divisible by 4? No. Now children, 3 after 4. Is 14 is divisible by 4? No. Now children, 4 after 5. Is 15 is divisible by 4? No. Now children, 5 after 6. Is 16 is divisible by 4? Yes. Now children, 5, 6, 1. 6 after 7. Is 17 is divisible by 4? No. 18. Now children, is 18 is divisible by 4? No. Is 19 is divisible by 4? No. So children, missing number 2 and 6. Our answer, two answers there, 5612 and second answer 5616. So children, both numbers means this and this, both numbers will be divisible by 4.
Children, your homework is study lesson 4 from content book of Black 12. Do set 4 in workbook of Black 12 and do lesson 4 in notebook from content book. Thank you.